Hello, hi, this is Alvin Ng from TradeYourEdge.com YouTube channel. Here on a weekly basis, I make some commentaries on the price action of the currency pairs. And if this is your first time tuning in, make sure to subscribe and like our channel. And if you like to learn more about price action, we have a few video lists, playlists on some price action as well as on trading psychology. So do check it out. With that, let me quickly head back to the market. In front of me, I have the euro dollar on a weekly basis on the weekly chart. If you're new to this, do check out the larger price action. If you can see the larger price action, the blue color one, price has been going down, has been going on a very nice downward channel since probably around 2018, which is the at that point it was during the financial crisis for Lehman Brothers. In the recent months, price broke out of the channel, very nicely retested the top of the channel, very vaguely, but indeed it happened. So the daily chart retested the channel and off it went again. So right now I am looking at the weekly channel. A few weeks ago I commented based on a descending triangle, price was compressing and it was moving downwards, and price broke out. So once it breaks, it typically breaks using with momentum. If you look at the weekly price action, you see a nice pin bar and off it went based on the consolidation. So think of it as a spring. Price would compress, 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 and once it let goes, it will just run. I call this momentum trade, or whatever you want to call it. There is quite some strong momentum. Now, for me, now price has broken up. The first target, I think, is reached, which is around 1.2 level. Price hit the 1.2 level and stalled around that area. Well, it's too early to say if it's going to stall or is it going to continue, but I expect some minor reaction to it. Probably not a lot, but my next target from there would be the 1.23 price level, which let me I think this would be 1.23 level, or maybe 1.235 to be more exact. Okay. Yep, there you go, 1.235. I'm not surprised if it coincides with something. Yep, one little touch there, nothing major, but that's 1.235. Yep, this one here. So if I were to put my cursor, it's around this level. Not a big one, but that's my immediate target based on the last high, and based on the trend continuation. This is very nice because I've got a higher high. This high is higher than this high is higher than this. My channel is sort of invalidated, but not too big an issue right now. I have a higher low, which is also very nice. But if I were to look carefully, I have I have a very nice run. Yeah, this is a good run. My target, short-term target, would be 1.215. I know 1.2 is there already. Then mid-term target will be 1.235. But on the longer run, I suspect price will go higher. And the next level from there will be 1.255. Right. So this is my view on euro dollar. Moving on, I have pound dollar. Pound dollar is also in a very nice upward channel, very similar to euro dollar. It was consolidating over the last few years, and it is ready to break out. So looking at the weekly channel, it is doing very similar. It has broken up. It is running through a very nice channel. These channels can run a long time, mind you. But we just need to be clear what is the size of the channel, and that sort of thing. So if I were to look at the day chart, what price gave me last week, it was a very nice double bottom. So in case you didn't catch this, it's not very clear on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, there's a very nice double bottom here. So with that, very nice false break. So this is on Thursday. There was a small little tiny doji bar, also considered inside bar. Price came down, tricked the whole market, continued running. So this is a very nice bullish run. Very nice entry. For those of you who caught it, but if you didn't, then not too late. Price will continue to run. I suspect my immediate target will be 1.425, which is very doable. At this point, the immediate target would be somewhere around here. Oh, sorry. Immediate target would be this one, but I think it would probably smash through it and continue. Too early to say, but that's my view on the pound sterling. Moving on, Aussie. Aussie on the weekly chart. Same thing, nice channel, consolidation, and a breakout. So similar to, well, I suppose the US dollar, the dollar is moving in that pattern, consolidation, breakout, run. So very classic price action, but this is very nice because it's fulfilled a channel pattern, right? So I've got one touch, 2, 3, 4 on the top. Got one small one, 2, and third touch at the bottom. So this channel is completely validated. Very nice, very nice. So looking from that, I will go into the daily chart, look for some nice long entries. Oh, maybe this inside bar is a nice entry. Let's see what happens on Monday morning. This is actually a very nice entry. Yen, my forecast for yen is that it will go long based on the breakout pattern. I was hoping that it will continue hitting the 111. Oh, I think I know what happened. Price came back here, hit a very nice number. Oh, there you go. I expect price to retouch this 1.08 level before it goes long. But I think it could hit there. It could, strong, could, and let's see what happens from there. But on the long run, if I were to look at my monthly chart, this is just a temporary pullback. I mean, the monthly bar is not completed yet. If I were to look at the previous month's bar, I can see strong momentum in the long run. So that's my take on yen. And then I've got CAD. CAD is in the another nice downward channel. I'm not a big fan of CAD. It's just because I have my bias on the euro and the gold, so I don't trade this. But this is absolutely beautiful price action to take. So for those of you who are trading the CAD, this is a classic 101 channel yet again. Now, last but not least, I've got gold. Gold on a monthly chart, for those who are not aware, is testing the $2,000 mark. Big psychological level. What I have here is a very nice double bottom. If for those who are not aware, this was a double bottom last week. 2 weeks ago, I commented about that, and yeah, it's going in my favor right now. The way I look at it, it bounced off the 1690 level, potentially break above to have a long continuation. Premature to see where it's going to go, but let's see what happens from there. Right, that's it from my side. Thank you very much, and happy trading.